This second problem will help you to answer the second problem on your own. Some fifth graders are having a party. There are 5 cakes. Each student gets 1/4 of the total cakes. How many people can be fed from the 5 cakes? Use a visual fraction model to show the quotient. So when I was reading this problem, I was really thinking, is it a multiplication or a division problem? But down at the bottom, when I'm reasoning and thinking what's most reasonable, it says the word quotient, and I know quotient is the answer for a division problem. So now I'm going to look at this. There are 5 cakes. Each student gets 1/4 of that cake. 1/4 of those cakes. How many people can be fed from 5 cakes? I also know if I'm asking the question, how many people, and my answer is a certain amount of people, I know my answer has to be a whole number. I also know the saying, you start with a whole when dividing by fractions, you end with a whole. So my answer needs to be whole. I'm not going to have part of a person. So when I'm looking at this problem, if I have 5 cakes, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I have 5 cakes. If I'm going to make sure that each person gets 1/4, I'm going to partition each of these into fourths. So I'm drawing those 3 lines to give me 4 equal pieces. Now, it says how many people will I be able to feed. If each person is able to have one of these pieces, I could sit and count, but I know also reasoning and thinking about efficiency. 5 times 4. I had 5 cakes and I divided each one into fourths. So 5 times 4 equals 20. Start with a whole, you end with a whole. So how many people would? 20 people would be able to share these cakes.